Imagine walking into a small office, surrounded by sleek, modern designs, and not a single cluttered desk in sight. You see employees effortlessly switching between their MacBooks and iMacs, collaborating on projects, and seamlessly integrating their workflow. And then you spot the unassuming hero behind the scenes, the Mac Mini. This diminutive powerhouse has been the unsung workhorse of small teams and creatives, silently producing stunning graphics and crunching complex code. But today, we're taking a closer look at Apple's latest iteration, the 2024 Mac Mini, packed with the M4 chip's might and a new level of refinement. Let's start by addressing a pressing concern in the tech industry: the increasing need for powerful, yet compact computing solutions. As professionals, hobbyists, and gamers alike require more processing power for demanding tasks, traditional desktops have become bloated and unwieldy. The Mac Mini has long been a beacon of hope for those seeking to avoid the clutter and expense, but with this latest revision, Apple has truly perfected its formula. At first glance, the 2024 Mac Mini doesn't look that different from its predecessor. However, upon closer inspection, one notices a subtle, yet significant redesign. The device's dimensions have shrunk to an impressive 5 by 5 inches, making it an ideal candidate to nestle next to a monitor or anywhere else in your workspace. Its anodized aluminum shell has retained its signature look, exuding a refined sense of sophistication that's unmistakably Apple. Upon handling the Mac Mini, you'll immediately be struck by its incredible durability. The device feels solid in your hands, with none of the flex or creaks that plague other compact desktops. The inclusion of a sturdy power button, situated elegantly on the front, serves as a testament to the attention to detail Apple has lavished on this device. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter: the M4 chip. This powerhouse of a processor boasts a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, ensuring your Mac Mini can handle even the most demanding tasks, from graphic design to high-end video editing. This impressive processor isn't just a brute force. However, it's been carefully optimized to deliver silky smooth performance, minimal heat buildup, and intelligent power management. Another significant upgrade in the Mac Mini is its unified memory, which has been increased to a generous 16 gigabytes. Imagine working on a complex project with multiple applications, each requiring its fair share of memory. The M4 chip's 16 gigabytes unified memory pool ensures seamless transition between these tasks, with nary a slowdown or hiccup. Storage-wise, the Mac Mini is equipped with a snappy 256 gigabytes SSD, ideal for storing all your critical files, projects, and applications. The sheer speed of this drive allows you to boot up your entire system in mere seconds, eliminating the frustrating wait times endemic to traditional hard drives. Gigabit Ethernet ensures blazing fast connectivity to a network, should you need it, though Wi-Fi is of course available as well. But enough about specs. Let's talk about real-world usage. Imagine being a professional graphic designer, tasked with creating a stunning marketing campaign. Your Mac Mini whirs to life, effortlessly juggling layers of vector art, fonts, and colors, while the 10-core GPU handles demanding graphics processing with aplomb. With Apple's latest software and the M4 chip's sheer muscle, even the most complex designs become a joy to create. But what about the elephant in the room, the Mac Mini's lack of ports? Fear not, as Apple has wisely provided a comprehensive array of connectivity options on both the front and rear of the device. You'll find a USB-A, USB-C, and an HDMI port, allowing you to hook up multiple peripherals, monitors, and projectors with ease. A USB-C port on the back even serves as an additional hub for further expansion. Now it's time to discuss the elephant's shadow: limitations. The Mac Mini doesn't offer expandability in the same vein as its larger cousins, nor can you upgrade individual components. This might be a deal breaker for those who've grown accustomed to tinkering and customizing their gear. However, it's crucial to remind ourselves that the Mac Mini was designed precisely to be an all-in-one solution. Compared to competing mini desktop solutions, the Mac Mini stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its combination of power, design, and seamless integration with other Apple products earns it a distinct position in the market. While Windows-powered alternatives may boast expandability, the trade-off in power, portability, and ease of use simply can't be denied. In conclusion, the 2024 Mac Mini is an exemplary product that addresses our collective need for balance between power and compactness. With its stunning new design, incredible M4-chip performance, and seamless software integration, this diminutive dynamo has become a must-have for creatives, professionals, and anyone seeking an efficient computing experience. If you're in the market for an all-encompassing desktop solution that's both powerful and portable, I wholeheartedly recommend giving the Apple 2024 Mac Mini a spin. Not only will you be treated to exceptional performance and durability, but you'll also experience an intuitive software ecosystem that just works the way it should. Visit your nearest Apple store or authorized reseller. Take home one of these incredible Mac Minis and discover what it truly means to be built for the future.